Hello viewers, in this video tutorial, I'll show you how to decorate this bottle with clay. For this you need air dry clay. I'm using my own homemade air dry clay base and applying pink color to it. Take pink clay and make small round balls like this. After making enough clay balls, press them to make petals with your hand. This doesn't need any tools, just press them with your hand to give irregular petal shapes which gives it a real look. After making enough petals, glue it on bottle in flower shape. Now stick the excess petals here and there randomly to give it more realistic look. Now decorate it with pearls. That's the final look. It's beautiful, right? To add some extra beauty, I'm sticking satin ribbon on the top and tying a bow to it. That's all viewers. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to Vachna's Art Collections.